Hey everybody, this is Michael from Barton Musical Circuits, and this is the new electret microphone module. And you're actually hearing my voice through the microphone right now. I'm sending a couple feet back, speaking at a normal volume. And this is a microphone with a little omnidirectional condenser mic right there. It's got a gain knob to turn the volume up and down. Then an envelope extractor. This sets the release time on the envelope. And then a gate output, which looks at that envelope and turns on or off. And this is the sensitivity knob. So here, the gate isn't turning on as much, and here, it's turning on almost all the time. There's some diodes that protect the output, so you get a little bit of a distortion sound when you turn the gain up high. So here it sounds a little bit more, more like you're talking through an old telephone or something like that. And here it sounds a little more natural. But yeah, this is a module. I didn't have I built it partially just to see if I could. I didn't have any great ideas of what to do with it. But I'm going to show you, you could just talk into it if you needed speech as part of a modular system, or sing into it for inputting your voice to a module. Inputting your voice to your modular system. But then also I did like, when testing out the envelope and gate generators, just kind of drumming in order to test them. So I'm going to also hook up a patch like that in just a second. So just give me a minute. Grabbing patch cords. Wrong one. So, this is a VCO over here. You might be hearing it right now as I speak. I'm going to take the frequency modulation and take it to the envelope. So now it will. So now it's going to decay every time I speak. But this also works by tapping on it. So that's what this module does. It's there to have a little bit of fun with. Yeah, thank you for watching. I hope this was in some way enjoyable and not maddening to listen to.